Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about a new topic, which is Raspberry Pi 5 with Hailo AI kit. What if I could say that you can have Raspberry Pi 5 along with AI accelerator, which can be installed along with Raspberry Pi 5, and it would not only detect the object, but also I can have integration with Webex workspace, where I can send the notification or I can send the alert when any particular object is detected. For example, if person is detected by this particular kit, I would send notification on my Webex team space or workspace. Let's go step by step and understand how we can assemble this kit. What is Raspberry Pi 5? What is Hailo AI kit? And how can we integrate or how can we send notification to Webex alerts or Webex workspace? We will talk about Raspberry Pi 5, then we will talk about Hailo AI kit, then we'll talk about how to set up the Webex alert, and then we'll actually do the demo where we can verify exactly how object detection happens and how does it send the notification to Webex. Alright. So very first thing is Raspberry Pi 5. What is Raspberry Pi 5? It's a single board, compact, low cost computer. So as you can see, this is very small single board which can act as a computer, and that can be used for not only education purpose, but you can have like a robot system integration with this, or IoT devices which can be connected to Raspberry Pi and automate it with the help of Raspberry Pi. So let's go and understand about this single board, all the components on this board. The single compact board has got two micro HDMI ports. You got one USB-C power jack. You have got on-off button, which is very much specific to Raspberry Pi 5. Then you got a Wi-Fi adapter, which is Wi-Fi chip. As you can see, it is highlighted on the left side on top, which is dual band .11 AC wireless and Bluetooth 5. You got a processor, you got a IO controller, you can have keyboard or mouse connected to this single board, and you have GPIO connector, which is also used to connect to the external world. As you can see here, you got a GPIO interface which is highlighted, and that's called HAT and GPIO, which is hardware on top. And then you have got USB ports. It is highlighted on the right side. Then you got a Giga Ethernet port. I'm going to show you practically all these details because I have got a kit. So I'm going to start from the scratch how you can integrate with AI kit or AI accelerator, and how can you boot that, how can you install Hailo AI packages. All those details I'm going to show you step by step. So this is how you can connect this Raspberry Pi 5. So you can see on the left very first picture that is talking about, or that is showing how can you connect the power jack or USB-C power jack. And then you have got boot media, which is micro SD card, which is used as your hard disk on this mini computer, or I would say compact single board computer. You got a keyboard which can be connected to USB. You got a mouse which can be connected to another USB port, and then you got a micro USB which is used to connect to monitor. Okay, or you can have micro HDMI which can be connected to monitor. What's AI kit? What's a Hailo AI kit, right? So Hailo AI kit is an AI accelerated module to enhance the Raspberry Pi functionality to run the machine learning models efficient. So it has got Hailo 8 as an AI processor. As you can see, it is a separate board which is directly soldered. Directly installed on the chip is directly installed on the board, which is optimized for a deep learning and AI application. Okay, there are two different Hailo AI kit model. One is M.2 HAT plus, and another one, as you can see, it's AI plus AI HAT. As you can see, Hailo AI chip is embedded on the board, whereas M.2 peripheral, where you can actually insert the 8L chip and connect to the board. right? So what is Hello AI Kit? It is a low power consumption, ideal for edge AI, optimized for real-time machine learning tasks, and that supports TensorFlow, PyTorch, OpenCV, and more. Now it has got two different performance versions. One is 26 TOPS. What is TOPS? Is tera operations per second, and you got 13 TOPS. All right. So definitely, if you want to go for 13 TOPS or 26 TOPS, it is again based on what you need, and cost also matters when it comes to which one to choose, right? For a lab, what I'm using is 26 TOPS. So what is TOPS? Is tera operations per second. T represents tera, which is trillion. So 1 TOPS equal 1 trillion operations per second. These operations are typically mathematical calculations like addition and multiplication. So to understand more on that, Hello 8 has got 26 TOPS. That means 26 tera operations per second it can perform. This is one of the metric to tell you how fast AI accelerator can actually process the data inference. This is basically one of the metric which is used to give you a clarity about the performance of AI accelerator, and 26 TOPS is one of the model in Hello chip side. So Hello 8 has got 26 TOPS, enabling fast and efficient AI inference processing. Once you install the Hello AI packages on the AI kit, after you integrate or let's say connect with the ribbon cable, which I'm going to show you practically, you would install some packages, and that package includes YOLO V6. Okay, so YOLO is you only look once is real-time object detection model. Now Raspberry Pi 5 combined with this Hello AI kit, which can efficiently run YOLO V6 for real-time object detection, making it ideal for AI-powered tasks. How can we use YOLO V6 in real-time use cases? So there are multiple use cases. Self-driving cars. So you can actually have autonomous vehicles detecting the pedestrians or other vehicles or traffic signs or obstacles on the road in real time. Then you got security purpose, like you can have a camera equipped with YOLO V6 which can identify some suspicious activity or even specific object like bag left unattended in real time. Then in a retail store, you can use this particular model to automate the checkout for detecting items as a customer picking up and then placing them in their cart. Robotic application, like it can be used to detect the object in the environment, allowing them to interact with or let's say avoid obstacles. Even in healthcare, this can be used in medical imaging to detect the anomalies or specific feature like in X-ray or MRIs or other scan. Okay. Now, as you can understand, Raspberry Pi is a single board compact computer. Then you got Hello AI Kit, which will fit on top of the Raspberry Pi. And then once you install all the packages, you would able to get object detection enabled because it has got all inbuilt, modules and packages installed, and it straight away gets activated, and you can straight away start working on object detection model. But I'm going one step further, and I would go one step further, and I'll have Webex alert, or let's say I'll create a Webex bot which will with the help of Python script, I will trigger the notification in case if let's say object as a person, if the person is detected by a Hello AI Kit, I'll get a notification on Webex workspace. So these are the steps which I would be executing. I'm going and I will be executing all these steps which are properly mentioned in the GitHub page. When I show a demo, I will go one by one command and I'll show you exactly what those commands are. But I think the GitHub page gives really good instructions and great clarity about how can you go step by step and install those packages. But very first thing is we will get the micro SD card on Raspberry Pi installed with Raspberry Pi OS version, which is Linux based, and then you would actually get the AI Hat Plus installed on top of the Raspberry Pi, and then you would install all the packages of Hailo, and then you would try to, you would verify whether the Hailo AI kit is detecting or identifying. And once everything is working as expected, then basically you would initiate the object detection demo. We'll go step by step and do the installation and then initiate the object detection. All right. And then last thing, once everything is working as expected, we will set up the Webex bot and get required bot access token, and then we'll install the SDK of Webex, and then we'll send the message once the person is detected. These are the steps which is used for setting up the Webex bot, then installing Webex SDK, and then I'll modify a script which will basically send the notification to Webex workspace, as I said, if the model detects person, and that notification will include a message called person detected. All right. So let's go and start our demo. As you can see, this is my Raspberry Pi kit along with AI Hat. So the very first thing is the keyboard, because I like this Raspberry Pi keyboard the way the design is. And this is the micro SD card which is used to install the Raspberry Pi OS. Then I got the AI Hat Plus, which is, I'm going to open and show you exactly. So this is AI Hat Plus. This is something I'll not be able to use right now because I'm going to install AI Hat Plus on top of the Raspberry. This is my Raspberry Pi 5 8 GB RAM main mini compact board. This is my power supply, and this is the camera, which is camera module 3, which I'll be using to detect the object. As you can see, this is like clearly got all the specification mentioned here on the box. Let's open the Raspberry Pi kit. So very first thing is my Raspberry Pi with 8 GB RAM board. So this is the main single board compact computer which I was talking about. As you can see, how compact is that, right? It's a very small board which includes all the ports, as good as like your computer, how you connect to monitor, keyboard, and the mouse you can actually connect. So this has got micro HDMI port as well, and the back side, as you can see, this is the micro SD slot. This is the main Hailo AI kit which I was talking about. So this will be installed on top of the Raspberry Pi, a single compact board. As you can see here, it is 26 TOPS. It's highlighted, which is 26 tera operations per second is what the performance metric it is mentioned for this particular Hailo AI kit. This will come on top of the Raspberry Pi. Okay, this is micro SD card. I have got 32 GB micro SD card. As you can see here, it's 32 GB. However, it is up to you, like if you need 64 GB you can buy that. I feel like 32 GB is fine for me. This is the USB-C power supply with 27 watt. So again, this is from Raspberry Pi kit itself. And I've got a camera, which is camera module 3 with a ribbon cable, but let me highlight that this particular cable which comes by default with the camera is not compatible with Hailo AI kit. That's why you need to remove this particular cable and you need to have a very separate cable. Let me show you that cable as well. Okay, so this is the cable, which is mini standard mini cable, 200 mm, and you can see both the side, it is not exactly similar shape. So one side, which is quite broad, will go to actual camera side, and the shorter one would go on the Raspberry Pi board. So once you assemble, you would see the AI Hat kit has come on top of the Raspberry Pi board. As you can see, you got the ribbon cable which is connected from Raspberry Pi to Hello AI kit on top, and you can see the camera cable also has got connected to Raspberry Pi, and this is GPIO header which is exactly aligned to AI hat on top. This is how it will look as a total kit once you assemble everything properly. So you can see here how it is got connected. So I got a micro HDMI connected to my monitor, the black cable which I'm highlighting. Then I got my mouse connected to USB, and I've got keyboard also connected to USB port on my Raspberry Pi kit. And this is the camera which is connected to Raspberry Pi. Okay, it's time for me to install the Raspberry Pi OS. So let me take the micro SD card out from this slot. So this is the micro SD card you can see here. I'm going to install image on this. So let me show you how to install that. Okay, so this is the micro SD card. I'm going to put into the slot of that micro SD. So this extension board I have connected to my laptop. Now I have inserted the micro SD card in my extension. Alright, so let me show you how do we install the Raspberry Pi OS. So what we need is we need an imager, and to install that imager, a Raspberry Pi website has got the software which it is pretty straightforward to install on laptop. So in my case I got Mac OS, so I'm going to download the imager, and I'm going to show you it's really just a straightforward installation like how any other software we install. So I'm going to install that. Let me share that as well. You can see it is got installed. Now I will choose the device. So I inserted the micro SD card. So I will just get the Raspberry Pi 5 installed, and then I would go for 64-bit. And this is the storage which I have. So mine is 32 GB micro SD. So that's why it is showing 31.9 GB. Click next. Would you like to apply OS customization settings like for example, if you want to edit the settings such as wireless password, or you want to edit some other settings, you can go for a customize, but I won't go for that. I would go with the default one. So I will click on no. Okay, so I'll go ahead and erase that, and then the installation process is initiated. So now the micro SD card is basically getting the OS installed. Once that OS is installed, what I would do is I would put that back micro SD card on Raspberry Pi board, and then I would initiate the Raspberry Pi OS from there. And probably I'll have to, because the OS from the website could be the not latest version, so I would have to go for an update on that. So I'll update the latest version from Raspberry Pi, and then we probably enable Hello AI Kit. Okay, let me insert the micro SD card in Raspberry Pi. So remember, this golden pin should be down, facing to Raspberry Pi board. Name which is written on the micro SD card should be on the opposite direction. So I have inserted. Now my Raspberry Pi kit is ready. Now it started booting. As you can see, it's just OS getting booted up. So that is it from this part 1. In the next video, which is part 2, we will walk through the installing Hello hardware and software on Raspberry Pi, and then integrating it with Webex to get notification when the person is detected.